Hi guys, my name is Irina. It's M&I Travel and More, and today I'm going to show you to go. Today we are going to do the triple unboxing Louis Vuitton. So I will show you a few things, and I will tell you a little review, and so you will see for yourself if you like it or no. Let's go for it. Okay, those are two bags. One, I actually, well, my husband got it for me in Dublin, here in Dublin. And this bag, there are two things, and we recently flew on holidays to Athens. And so I got this present, those two presents in Athens, Louis Vuitton store. So I will start from the one that I got in Dublin. This is the little box, and so let's see what's in it. They tied it up really nicely. So now I'm going to put it here, and there is a little like peep here. You just pull the box, and here you go. My first unboxing. It's a perfume, Louis Vuitton. I actually wanted it for a while. I wasn't sure about which flavor, and to be honest with you guys, before we actually got it, before my husband got it, well, I just told him which one I like, and I went to the Brown Thomas store and I tried it on myself, and I can swear to you that I just put a little bit of perfume on my jacket, and my jacket, I don't know, maybe it still smells. It smelled for 2 weeks. I actually took it in my hands and I said, oh my god, this still stays, like the scent is really stays for very long time. This nice what? So that's the one that I like. It's Rose des, I'm not sure how to pronounce it. I'll show you. Rose des Venus, something like that. And as long as I know their perfumes are organic, so if somebody has some kind of allergy or so, maybe check it for yourself. Unboxing. Here we go. I wanted it for quite a while, and that's the box, how it's opening. And oh my god, look at this. Isn't that beautiful? Can't take it out. What's the name? Rose des Venice. All right, if you know how to pronounce it, please correct me. And I guess that's how it's opened. Here we go. That's my first lovely Louis Vuitton perfume, and I absolutely, guys, I absolutely love it. It's a smell, like smell of, oh, it's just unbelievable. It's really, I think it depends. There are so many flavors, so many scents, but you know, whatever you like. There is a mandarin. I got some you know, trials, some little ones, and the mandarin, I absolutely love it. So if you are still picking and not sure which to take, I love this one and the mandarin, so check all of them. and I think they have two sizes. One is a bigger one, it's nearly like double size. I think it's 350 euro. This one is 200 and something. But the thing is, once this perfume is finished, I just go there, pay, I think the guy told me 80 or 90 euro, and they fill up the bottle. All right, so now I'm gonna show you the next. I'm gonna leave it here. And the next one is, here we go. This one we bought in Athens. They didn't wrap it that tightly, so the guy was, well, I don't know, maybe it's just in Greece it's different, but it's a very nice store actually in Athens. I was very surprised. It's a very very good customer service, very they do their best for you. They will never make you wait a second. We were treated really, really well there. So, and so now I'm gonna pull this. Hop. Now I'll show you this way. Can you guess what it is? I think you do. Many of you probably can guess. So that's a dust bag, and so we can open it, and here we go. I'm so happy with this purse because I wanted a bigger one, and my husband insisted to get this one because we were in the store. Actually, he was buying something else, and then he saw this purse. But I will show you. It looks so small, but it's actually it fits so much. Here is a little thing for coins. It's just, you know, you can use it for your coins, and when you open it, look at this. It's pink inside, but look, there are so many cards you can. I usually, my cards are all over the place, and I have a small other purse, Gucci purse, which doesn't, you can't, it's very small, so this one would do perfectly to me. And here as well, that's already 4 notes. So that's, I think it was 370 euro, and I'm so happy with this. I just can't wait to start using it. And you know that sometimes some of my bags are small bags, and you know, the big purse, it's hard. If I put the big purse, like let's say in my Gucci bag, which is quite small, you know, like a camera bag, there is nothing else I can put there. So I'm really, really pleased with this one. And so now I'll show you the last. Okay, this is the receipt for the purse and for the next thing. So I will leave it in the bag. So my husband got it for me in Athens as well, in the Athens Louis Vuitton store. And let's see what is there. Oh, there's nothing to pull. Okay, look at this. Can you guess what it is? Okay, there is an instruction for the thing which in it, and that's an item. I am really, really happy about this item. Here we go. There's a little dust bag and you definitely can guess what's in it. I'll show you now. Just tell me if your guess was right. There is a little dust bag and here we go. My Louis Vuitton sunglasses. I absolutely love them, guys. I saw them first in the store in Brown Thomas while we were buying perfume, and I just look at them and I fell in love with them. I was nearly like I couldn't move. I asked the guy to give me just to try them, and I tried them and I see that they look good on me. You know, I have such a type of face. It's very hard to find for me sunglasses. I don't know, maybe like not every pair suits me, but these are just unbelievable. And they actually sit very you know, like very good on your head, very prompt. You know, I usually, if I'm on holidays, I don't like to put my sunglasses in a bag or something. They always on my head, like over my head. And those ones just sit perfect. It holds my hair, it protects me from the sun, and it looks absolutely beautiful. Just to show you the sides. So I'm very, very happy with this, and so that's all. Let me know what you think, let me know if you like it, and if you like the video, please subscribe down below, and I will see you very soon. It was M&I Travels and More. My name is Irina. Bye bye.